In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment request in Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, professional request and share it in a couple of different ways so people can pay you quickly and securely. First, make sure you're on your Wise home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after logging in. From here, look for the request option and click it. This is where you'll create a new payment request rather than sending money out. Next, choose Request a Payment. This tells Wise you want to receive funds, not transfer them. You'll be taken to a simple form where you can enter the details of what you're requesting. Add the amount, choose the correct currency, and include a short note so the payer knows what the request is for. Keeping the description clear helps avoid confusion later and makes reconciliation easier for both sides. As soon as you confirm those details, Wise automatically generates a QR code and a shareable link for that specific request. The QR code is perfect when you're in person. Someone can scan it with their phone and go straight to the payment page. The link is ideal for remote requests. Copy it and send it through your preferred channel, like email or messaging. Before you share, give everything a quick double check to make sure the amount and currency are exactly what you intended. There's also another handy way to make it easy for people to pay you, especially if you expect repeat payments or want to be added as a saved recipient. On the left side of your screen, click Payments. Here, you'll see your Wise tag. Think of your Wise tag as a simple identifier that helps others add you as a recipient on their end. Click your Wise tag to open it, and you'll find a QR code and a link specifically for your Wise tag. Share that link or QR with anyone who needs to add you. Once you're saved as a recipient, sending future payments to you becomes faster for them. To recap, you can either create a one-off payment request by clicking Request, then request a payment, entering the details, and sharing the generated QR code or link. Or, if you want people to add you for future transfers, go to Payments on the left, open your Wise tag, and share its QR code or link. That's all you need to request money in Wise quickly and confidently.